All right, here we go. We are on our way from the front entrance to where our camper currently is. Now, our camper is currently in the middle of nowhere because I foolishly took out all of the important stuff of the camper, like PEX water piping and the bathtub and the toilet because I wanted it to be extremely off-grid. And that happened, and I made a compost toilet and all that stuff, but now we're thinking of using the camper in a different way, and with that different use comes the need for water. So gonna have to repipe all of that. I need to pick up some tubing and stuff like that. But this is the way to our camper, so let's go check it out. So today I have a few plans. I need to see what type of, or what size of PEX I need. I don't know if it's 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch. I have some braces that I'm gonna put up underneath the bed because right now you just sink into it. When me and my wife are in there, this is it. So here is the camper. We redid it. Here, let's get some lights on. Opening the window. We got the view. Love it. That's why we picked this spot to place it, even though there's no hookups, just our generator. So we redid the inside. More on that another time, but giving you the tour. Got our bathroom, compost toilet, and no tub because I took it out. Where the kids sleep, got some double bunks going, and storage for the chairs that we're not using right now. We have refrigerator, stovetop, sink, obviously doesn't work, unfinished projects. A lot of unfinished projects. But here's the master. It's very nice and cozy. Got a nice double bed in there. Some cardboard as a sunblock. Foliage, different places. And that is our camper. Okay, I got something up. Okay, there we go. So these are the stilts that I am going to prop up the bed with. So if we come in here, we can see that, well, maybe you can't see, but it's pretty concave and it's just held up by some plywood. Obviously that part opens from the inside. So if you can take off the bed from the inside, which you can't because it's too big. I don't know why they designed it like this. You could theoretically store things under here and then access them from the inside. That's not happening. So I'm gonna put a brace right about there and then another brace right about there, and hope that will prop up the bed to where we don't sink in it. Now I also hope it doesn't prop it up too much to where it's now convex and then we go to the sides. We'll see. Okay, well, I got out of that, and if you can see, looks pretty good. I didn't go that well, but sure enough. So let's go check it out. See if it feels like that. Hopefully I can lay in it and tell something. Let's see. Oh, the pillows are in the way. I should have tried this beforehand. Can't really tell a difference. But I haven't slept in here for a couple months. So, we'll see when we sleep here next, if it's worked out or not. Okay, so other things that need to happen. I bought some PEX tubing to see if, to see what size we need. Got both those here. I need to test those out. Let's see. My children were playing with them. Okay, let's get up here. All right, let's see what we have. We have, let's see, you can't see that. There we go. Let's turn on some light. What does it say? It's upside down. Let's see. That's rates it up. Oh, there's a tube in my way. Y'all might be able to read this, but I cannot. Let's see. Is it the same as this? Oh, that looks like a winner. Looks like it's 1/2 inch. Let me make sure. Let me compare it to... Oh yeah, definitely not that one. Okay. So, it's 1/2 inch PEX tubing. But now I know what I need. And so I'll get connectors and tees and hose. A bunch of other things. Well, it's exciting. Now I know that it's 1/2 inch. I got the bed done. I got the ants done. That's about it for now. Well, that's all I have to do today. So I'm gonna pack up and head back.